Deribit BTC Options App. The pros, the cons. The Deribit BTC Options app is a specialized platform for Bitcoin options and futures trading. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another crypto exchange, but the surprising truth is that Deribit is one of the few apps designed specifically for professional options trading. On the pros side, Deribit offers deep liquidity, competitive fees, and advanced options strategies like spreads, straddles, and risk reversals. The app provides detailed charts, real-time price data, and various order types to manage positions efficiently. Security is strong with two-factor authentication, cold storage, and regulatory compliance in supported jurisdictions. On the cons side, Deribit's interface can be overwhelming for beginners, and options trading carries a steep learning curve. The platform primarily supports BS and ETH, so altcoin options are limited. High volatility and leverage mean inexperienced users can incur large losses quickly. In conclusion, the Deribit BTC Options app is ideal for professional traders focused on Bitcoin and Ethereum options. While it's complex and risky for newcomers, its deep liquidity, advanced tools, and robust security make it a top choice for serious options trading in crypto.